Hey guys, welcome back to the shed. Today we've got a nice, quick and easy mod. Essentially what we're doing today is we are replacing this guy right here, which, if not familiar what that looks like on here, this is our rear luggage rack. That is being replaced with two grab handles, which essentially do the same sort of job. So the reason I'm replacing this big one with the small ones is I actually have the extended rack on this one too, so as long as if I'm not planning to use it. But I don't carry luggage on my bike 95% of the time, so I just don't need all this weight and stuff taking up space on the back of the bike. Also, I think aesthetically, with sort of what I'm going for with this bike here, I don't feel like this really adds much, actually takes away from the clean styling at the rear, in my opinion. So I'm going to be replacing this out with that. This is going to be mod to everyone's taste. So if you're happy with your big luggage rack and that hanging at the back, cool, run with it. This is more a mod for those people who are looking to clean up the rear end and just tidy it up, but also have the functionality of having grab handles still, because you may have a passenger or you may want to be able to pick the bike up easily. So it's important to still have firm points to attach your luggage to or pick the bike up. So first impressions are looking really good on this unit. It cost me about 80 bucks from AliExpress delivered. It was a bit frustrating because the unit itself, these two grab handles and the fixings it came with, were only 40 bucks, and it was actually another $40 shipping to where I live. So essentially paid double for this, but this is a bit of an obscure mod, this one. You don't see these slimline grab handles being offered by many people. I actually only found one company on AliExpress that was selling them. So I wasn't exactly spoiled for choice as far as who I could get it from. But first impressions, the powder coat's really good and the welds are looking nice and sturdy, and they'll do what I want them to do. So just for those who are interested, the tube diameter's just under 20 mil and the tube wall thickness is 2.5 mil around about. So they should be nice and sturdy and do the job. And as you can probably tell, it's only 4 bolts that hold these on, and it came with washers and these button head bolts as well. And these are not magnetic, so these are stainless steel. They look pretty good. So we're going to be applying a liberal amount of Loctite, Locteft, and get it fitted. Alrighty.
Alright, this is the only first issue we've got with these bolt holes. Just not quite lining up. They look like they're about 1 to 2 mil out, so I'm going to have to drill those out. Frustrating.
All right, so there you have it, guys, all fitted up, both sides. I did have to enlarge the holes on this side because it didn't quite line up, so that was a little bit annoying. This is made out of steel, I don't think I mentioned, but it's pretty heavy duty. And I think it looks pretty clean, but still retains some of that functionality. So we'll pop the seat on and see how it looks. That's a bit better. Yeah, I like that. It looked a bit weird before with just having those two mounting points there not being utilised, but I think that finishes off the back section of the bike really nice. I'll put a link down below for where you can find these grab handles for the rear. And yeah, if you do end up getting them, just let us know how you go with them and let other people know what the quality's like, because sometimes when you only get it from one seller, you really don't know sometimes how good the quality and consistency is going to be. So if you do pick them up, put a comment down below to let people know how you go with it, so it can help them out as well. All right, thanks guys. I'll see you in the next one.